In the vast silence of the cosmos, where time stretches thin and stars blink like ancient memories, there drifts a ghost, not of the dead, but of the unknown. It is not a machine, nor a message, but a traveler, a wanderer without tether, without allegiance. Its name, given by human observers with telescopes pointed skyward, is 3I Atlas. But in truth, it has no name. It belongs to no one. It simply moves, as it has for eons. This is the tale of a comet, not just any comet, but an interstellar one, meaning it comes from a realm beyond our solar system. Unlike our sun's loyal icy companions that swing around in obedient ellipses, 3I Atlas emerged from the void beyond the heliosphere, entered our system in 2024, and now drifts onward, back into the interstellar dark. A fleeting visitor, a messenger from beyond. The third visitor, a rare interstellar pilgrim. 3I Atlas is the third confirmed interstellar object to pass through our solar system. The first was the mysterious Oumuamua in 2017, cigar-shaped and silently gliding, sparking wild theories of alien craft. The second, Borisov, followed in 2019, a more traditional comet with a glowing coma and tail. And now comes Atlas, named after the asteroid terrestrial impact last alert system that first spotted it. It is not just another rock, it is a relic of a different solar nursery, forged by a star we may never see, shaped in a time long before our pyramids rose or our oceans knew ships. Scientists estimate that 3I Atlas was ejected from its home system over 100 million years ago, and has been floating aimlessly ever since, until it brushed past our corner of the galaxy. The anatomy of the ghost. 3I Atlas, like its cosmic cousins, is mostly ice and dust, but there's something inherently poetic about it. Its coma, the hazy halo that forms as solar radiation heats its core, was visible through powerful telescopes, giving it the familiar ghost-like appearance. But its orbit was what caught astronomers' breath, a hyperbolic trajectory, meaning it was not bound to our sun. It was just passing through. Its velocity, clocked at nearly 26 kilometers per second relative to the sun, confirmed its interstellar origin. Nothing in our solar system could have flung it that fast. It was born elsewhere, hurled into the abyss by gravitational chaos, perhaps the passing of a giant planet, perhaps a dying star. For scientists, such objects are cosmic time capsules. Their chemistry, structure, and motion offer clues to conditions in other solar systems, a gift from the stars themselves. Celestial drama unfolds. As Atlas curved through the solar system in early 2024, telescopes across Earth turned to track it. Unlike the drama surrounding Oumuamua's bizarre shape and tumbling motion, Atlas remained modest. It had the signature features of a comet, a bright nucleus, a streaming tail, but its origin made it special. Researchers from NASA, ESA, and observatories worldwide coordinated to observe it, capturing spectra, tracking its dust trail, and trying to piece together its birth story. Some speculated it might be more than a comet, perhaps even a fragment from a planetary system's destruction, the shattered remains of a distant ice world. And then, as quickly as it came, it began to fade. The ghost dimmed. No return ticket. What's most poignant about 3I Atlas is that we will never see it again. It came from the stars. It returns to them. Its trajectory sends it away from our sun forever, into the lonely cold between stars. One day, it may pass another solar system. Perhaps intelligent life there will spot it, wonder as we did, and write their own stories. There is something deeply human in our fascination with such objects. They are outsiders, like mythical wanderers, brushing past our world with whispers of distant places. And like all great travelers, they leave us changed, not physically, but in the mind. Why interstellar objects matter? The scientific value of interstellar comets like 3I Atlas cannot be overstated. Each is a sample of matter from another star system, untamed by our sun's influence. Analyzing their composition tells us what kind of chemistry takes place light years away. Are the building blocks of life, water, organics, complex molecules, common? Are planetary systems like ours rare or ordinary? Atlas, in particular, provided clues that its home system may have been rich in volatiles, frozen gases that, under heat, become active. This suggests it formed far from its star, like our Kuiper belt objects. In a sense, it's a mirror, showing us how our solar system might look from afar. But there's more than science. There's symbolism. In an age where everything feels known, mapped, and digitized, 3I Atlas reminds us that the unknown still exists. That even now, the cosmos can surprise us. A silent goodbye. By mid-2025, the comet is far beyond the reach of all but the most powerful telescopes. It grows fainter each day, swallowed by the night. Soon it will vanish completely, back into invisibility. For most people on Earth, its passage went unnoticed. No fireworks, no headlines, just a whisper. But in observatories, in the quiet minds of astronomers, and among those of us who look up often, it leaves an imprint. There's a certain melancholy in such moments. These interstellar visitors are not ours to keep. We cannot orbit them, land on them, or chase them forever. We only glimpse, like catching a falling star from the corner of your eye. A moment, a flicker, then gone. The poetry of the infinite. It's tempting to romanticize Three-Eye Atlas, to call it a ghost, a messenger, a celestial pilgrim. And why not? Science and poetry are not enemies. They are two ways of reaching toward the same truth, that the universe is vast, mysterious, and breathtaking. What stories could this comet tell if it could speak? Of alien skies, of forgotten stars, of gravitational dances and exiles, of silence, of time measured not in years, but in orbits that never complete. Perhaps it passed close to life before. Perhaps it will again. Looking ahead, a new era of cosmic voyages. Astronomers believe that many such interstellar objects pass through our solar system, but most go unnoticed. Our technology is only now becoming sensitive enough to detect them. With upcoming instruments like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, we may see dozens, even hundreds, in the decades to come. Some may carry more mysteries. Some might be rogue planet fragments, or pieces of exomoons, or even, just maybe, artificial in origin. The future is wide open. And Atlas was just one chapter. Final reflections. We are not alone in the dust. We are made of the same star stuff as Atlas. The atoms in your bones once danced in stellar furnaces. The water in your veins once floated through ancient clouds. When we look at interstellar comets, we are not looking at strangers. We are seeing echoes of ourselves, distant cousins, shaped by the same cosmic hands. The voyage of Three-Eye Atlas may be silent and lonely, but in that silence is a message. The universe is alive with motion, with stories, with chance encounters. So next time you gaze up, remember, there are ghosts among the stars. And some of them, like Three-Eye Atlas, come to visit, not to haunt us, but to remind us that even in the vastest night, there is wonder. To see a world in a grain of sand, and a heaven in a wild flower, hold infinity in the palm of your hand, and eternity in an hour. Three-Eye Atlas held that eternity, just for a moment, and then drifted beyond.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe for the more video.